the conclusively what is coming is the only best option is to amend the existing law which is there, which is peculiar to Goan mining concessions, which was a concession under Portuguese law. Later on had to be converted as mining leases under Indian law, Indian rules and regulations. That case is pending in the Supreme Court, which is not yet decided. In the absence of that, anything which is affecting Goa cannot be taken in isolation. It has got to be looked into historically the background of whole Goa's operation.
If we consider the option of auction, besides the time that will be taken for exploration, because detailed exploration will have to be done, and it will have to be done by a government agency. So besides that, which is very time-taking job, it's not going to take less than 3 years at least. And besides that, again EC has to be taken, and in many cases forest clearance also is required. That is again a time-taking job. It takes, at least my experience is, at least it takes minimum 2 years for getting forest clearance. So similarly for EC, it takes under 2 years. Even if it is done parallelly, there also it is not going to be less than 5 years.
गोंयांत मायनिंग चलोवंक ऑक्शन आनी कॉर्पोरेशन मेथड चलचे ना.
And many other areas where the mining operated through corporations are never successful, never profitable. Any business done like a businessman-like manner is the one which will run successfully and properly.
बेकायदेशीर मायनिंगाचेर शाह कमिशनान दिल्लो रिपोर्ट सारको ना. जाणी लूट केला ते मेळनात.
35,000 crore which was pointed out by Shah Commission is totally the imaginary figure. I can strongly tell. It's an imaginary figure. There is no basis. Even the basis which is given is an assumption. It's only a what you call a fiction. It is. It's not at all a correct figure. When the reassessment figure itself came anywhere between 1300 to 1400 crores or 1600 crores maximum, out of which the maximum amount the government of Goa has already recovered. A very unfortunate thing which has happened during the boom time of China accepting anything and everything, and those people who have done such a wrong thing, they are non-existent people of Goa, and even the workmen, even the operators, the transporters, all came overnight, and overnight they vanished. Nobody is traceable.
Goa Chapter of Mining Engineers Association of India and Political Mining Alumni Association of Goan गोयच्या मायनिंगेचो फुडाराचो विशय घेवन एका दिसाचो सेमिनार घेतलो. मायनिंग सुरू करूंक कितें करूं येता ताचो रिपोर्ट ते राज्य आनी केंद्र सरकार तशेंच संबंधित ऑथॉरिटीक दितले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.